Your life is not taken away in years or months, but in seconds. Each tick of the clock steals a piece of your future. Arman lived in a small town. He was intelligent, but dangerously lazy. When his mother called him, "Arman, wake up, you'll be late for school," he pulled the blanket over his head and muttered, "Just 5 more minutes." But 5 minutes became half an hour. Half an hour became a wasted morning. At school, his teachers scolded him. His classmates moved ahead while Arman kept falling behind. One day, his uncle visited. He saw Arman lying in bed while everyone else was busy. He whispered to the father, "Your boy is not lazy because he is weak. He is lazy because he doesn't understand that time is life." The next morning, the uncle gave Arman an old wooden clock. It was small, with a steady, ticking sound. That night, Arman had an important exam the next day. But instead of studying, he said, "I'll do it in the morning." He overslept, arrived late, and failed the exam. Humiliated, he locked himself in his room. The house was silent, except for one sound: tick, tick, tick. He stared at the clock. Suddenly, the sound was louder than ever. "That's not just a sound. That's my life leaving me, 1 second at a time. What if I waste my whole life like this?" The next morning, something changed. Arman woke up before sunrise. He studied, helped his father, and worked harder each day. Every time he felt lazy, he looked at the clock and remembered, "Tick, tick, your life is moving, don't waste it." Months passed, and Arman transformed. Years later, when people asked him the secret of his success, he pointed to the same old clock and said, "This little clock taught me the most important lesson. Time is life. Once it's gone, it never returns." This story teaches us a timeless truth. Money lost can be earned again. Friends lost can be found again. But time lost is lost forever. Every second is a chance to change your life. If you waste it, you lose it. If you use it, you build your future. Your clock is already ticking. The question is, will you waste it or will you use it?